Dutch, the ceremony will be done in English, possibly except for some of the speeches given to the students by their supervisors. Now let me first of all introduce myself. My name is Koen Hendricks and I am a member of the examination board for the Department of Computer Science. This is an official meeting of the examination board of the Faculty of Science, but above all should be a memorable meeting which is fun too, a little bit for you guys. Before explaining the protocol, I will first let the people sitting behind the table introduce themselves. So let's start at the end of the table.
Hi, I'm Danny Beckers, teacher in History of Science at the Department of Computer Science and AI, acting as a supervisor for bachelor thesis.
My name is Jacob Pani. I'm an associate professor at the Department of Computer Science and I'm also the program director of the Bachelor Computer Science.
I'm Erik van der Kouwen. I'm an assistant professor. I teach courses that relate to systems and security, which are some of the major hurdles for some of the students here, I think.
I'm the academic advisor.
Okay, thanks. And then we move on to a little talk from our program director, who will now say a few words about the program that the students are graduating from. So, Jacoba, please take the floor.
Yes, good evening everyone. So it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome you all to this remarkable occasion, namely the Vrije Universiteit Bachelor Computer Science graduation ceremony. As a program director, let me first give you a very short overview of the program, just in case you still did not understand what your son or daughter or friend did it in the last 3, 4, 5, or 6 years. So, broadly speaking, the goal of this program is to teach the fundamentals of computer science, which is the scientific disciplines that underpins the design, the analysis and the implementation of computational systems. At its core, computer science is about problem solving. What we often do is that we take complex challenges and we study how we can break them down into logical, manageable steps and then design efficient and innovative solutions for those steps. The program, that is a 3 years program, covers a wide range of topics that spans from the theoretical foundation and practical applications of computer science. On the theoretical side, students learn about the algorithms, data structures, and the mathematical principles that we can use to ensure that systems behave correctly and perform efficiently. On the practical side, students gain a hands-on experience in programming, in the software development, and in the engineering of all those systems that power everything that ranges from mobile apps to large-scale networks. So in the last year, students that are sitting here have learned how computers think. They have learned how data flows in the systems. And they have learned how to build tools that solve real-world problems. But also, beyond those technical skills, this program is also designed to teach critical thinking, creativity, and collaborations. So the students did not only just learn how to write code, they also learn how to approach challenges systematically, adapt to new technologies, and communicate complex ideas clearly. These are skills that extend far beyond the boundaries of computer science and are very useful to lead and innovate in any other field that the students, the newly graduates, decide to join. So, if you were ever wonder what they were doing, all this time that you saw them on the computer, on the late nights, now you know what they were doing. They were mastering the art and science of creating the technologies that hopefully will shape our future. Now, today we celebrate not just their knowledge, but also their dedication and passion that brought them to this moment. That's important. Now I would like to spend a few words just to the students. Of course, we are now here to celebrate the end of your studies. But this ceremony is not just to celebrate your academic success. It's also a recognition of your hard work, of your determination and your potential. It wasn't always easy, I'm sure of that. You may have failed a course, or more than one. You may have struggled with a tough exam, or in general have faced any other personal challenge that made you studying hard. But regardless of this, you kept going. And it's that resilience that brought you here today. So those setbacks that you had, they weren't failures. Failing an exam or failing is not a failure. It's an opportunity to learn and to grow and to prove your strength. And so you're not defined by those failures. Those failures are not the things that define you. You are defined by the way you overcame them. So you should be proud of that. Now, I would also like to say something to the families, to the parents, the families, and their friends that are now in the audience. I would like to thank you for being the support systems that students needed along the way. Whether you just provided the listening ear, or a financial support, or just a word of comfort, you should know that you have been an integral part of their journey. Probably without you, they couldn't have made it. So, going back now to the students, please don't forget to thank them for everything that they have done for you. Now, without further ado, let us begin. But first, let me wish you, also on behalf of the Department of Computer Science, all the best in all your future endeavors. Thank you.